Your Roblox game may start okay, but if you get the memory was full and needed to restart, message on your iPhone, it can suddenly kick you out. Many players don't know why this happens or how simple it is to fix. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the problem so you can play Roblox without interruptions. Let's fix it now. Solution 1. Offload the Roblox app. Open up the settings again, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the Roblox app. If you don't find the Roblox app here, then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my last solution. Solution 2. Free up the iPhone storage. Now go to the Settings app on iPhone, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove, and then tap on Delete app. Finally, tap the Delete app again. Solution 3. Turn off background app refresh. Go to Settings, then tap General. Scroll down. Now tap Background app refresh. Again, tap Background app refresh. Now select Off. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.